Well, the sun just rising on that old dusty road. Got my boots all worn out, got a heavy load. I've been working on that rail along that old piney line, taking every step I can, leaving troubles far behind. With a whistle and a shout, I can hear that engine roar. It's a life I chose and I ain't ever bored. Them nights by the fire, keeping my spirits high, when the stars shine like diamonds in a dark southern sky. Got my crew all around me, ain't never seen them fail. Ain't no room here for heroes when we're working on that rail. We're working on that rail through the sweat and the strain, with the grit and the glory, through the heat and in the rain. From the dawn until the dusk, we're laying down the tide, with the roughnecks and the outcasts, with iron in our eyes. 40 hours in the sun and a shovel full of dirt, but my soul gets lifted 'cause I know what I'm worth. With the sun-drenched days and the grit from head to heel, we're chasing dreams on those eternal rails of steel. And the outcasts, with iron in our eyes. So raise a glass for the labor, the sweet hard grind, for the calluses we get. They're the stories of the line. When the whistle blows strong and the night comes falling down, we'll be singing about the life that keeps us town to town.